In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Fortnite disconnected from match. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show you multiple methods to address any issues that you might be having when trying to play Fortnite. If you are getting disconnected from a match randomly, there could be a bunch of reasons on why this is happening. I'm gonna cover some of possible fixes that might work for you. The first thing that you should check is the matchmaking region, which is set inside of the game when you go over to the settings. So access the settings and visit the third category, named Game. Under Language and Region, you will find the main matchmaking region. You want to set this to automatic, which is going to look for servers near you, giving you the lowest latency possible. If you are trying to play on a region outside of nearby, servers, you are going to get high latency, and because of this, you could be getting disconnected from matches more often. So I highly recommend that you either leave it on auto or you manually select your own region here. Now, besides this option inside of the game, there isn't much that you can do regarding getting disconnected. Of course, the problem could be related to Fortnite crashing because of the graphics, so if you really want to try this out, you can also lower the quality preset to the lowest one possible. This will get strain off of your computer, more specifically the GPU and CPU, which means that Fortnite will be able to run better and without too much issue. You can even limit the frame rate if you believe this is what is causing the issue. Maybe your computer is overheating, and because of this, it is lagging games and also getting you crashed. But usually, just changing the network setting will be enough. Now, I'm gonna minimize the game and talk about other possible things that might be affecting Fortnite. First, if you go back to the Epic Games Store launcher, you access your library and you right-click Fortnite, you will be able to find the option to verify the integrity of the game files. So right-click Fortnite, go into Manage, and make sure that all the files of your Fortnite installation are properly verified and obtained. When you click Verify, the Downloads prompt will open up, and this will, like I said, scan through all of the files of your Fortnite installation. If it detects that any of them are missing or corrupted, they are going to be reacquired immediately. As you can see here, none of them were reacquired for me, meaning that I am good to go and I can play normally. If any of your files were missing or corrupted, they are going to be reacquired. Now, besides this issue could also be attributed to your ISP or your internet service provider. If your ISP cannot establish a good connection with the game servers, you could explore other alternatives like a VPN or a service like ExitLag. Keep in mind that this video is not sponsored. I'm only giving you an example of a service that you can use, which you can choose from a variety of services and find the one that best suits you. In here, you can select Fortnite from the list of many games that they have, and what this will do is route your connection to the Fortnite servers more efficiently. That way, if your internet service provider has a weak route or weak connection to the Fortnite servers, ExitLag will fix that issue and you will stop getting disconnected when trying to play any game or any mode inside of Fortnite. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Fortnite disconnected from match. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.